Welcome to the Model 2. Welcome back. Having explored the history and significance of Python in our first module, we will now move into the practical foundation of your development journey. Module 2 focuses on Python software, tools, and environment setup, ensuring you have the professional-grade tools required to write, test, and deploy code effectively. In this module, what you will learn, we will cover 6 essential areas. We will walk through the installation of Python, choose the right integrated development environment or IDE, and master PIP for package management. We will also discuss the critical practice of using virtual environment, explore interactive computing with Jupyter Notebook, and look at powerful online tools like Google Colab and Replit for coding without a local installation. Introduction. Before writing professional Python code, establishing a proper development environment is non-negotiable first step. Your environment is a suite of software tools and configuration you use to run and debug your work. A well-configured setup significantly improves productivity, reduces errors, and ensures your code behaves consistently across different projects. Ultimately, a professional setup is the bedrock of reliable developments. Installing Python. Step-by-step installation. Installing Python is a straightforward process. First, visit the official site python.org to download the latest Python 3 installer for your operating system. For Windows users, it is critical to check the box that says Add Python to Parts during installation. Once installed, you should always verify the setup by opening your terminal or command prompt and running the Python version and pip-version command to ensure both the interpreter and package manager are ready. By my right, that is how you can install. That's how you can install, verify the version. Python IDEs and code editors. Choosing the right development environment. Selecting the right tool depends on your goals. Visual Studio Code is a highly recommended, versatile editor used by developers at all levels. For intermediate to advanced users, Python offers deep professional features like testing tools and database support. If you are focused on data science, Jupyter Notebook is the industry standard for making code with visual charts. Beginners may also consider lighter tools like Idle or Tony, which help visualize how code runs in real time. Managing Python packages with pip. Python powers come from its massive ecosystem managed by pip. Pip is the standard package manager that connects you to the Python package index, which hosts over 400,000 packages. With simple command, you can install libraries like pandas, upgrade them, or save your project specific dependencies to a requirement.txt file, making it easier to share your project setup with other developers. So to use pip in practice, so you follow the following step. Install single package, install multiple packages, install specific version to install specific version, to upgrade existing package, to save project dependencies, to install from requirement file, to search for packages. So that's how you can use all those commands. Virtual environments. To avoid package conflicts, professional developers use virtual environment. Without them, a package update for one project may break another. By creating an isolated environment using BEM, model. Each of your projects remains self-contained with its own specific library version. This ensures that your project never interfere with one another and stay easy to manage over time. So to create and use virtual environment, you follow the following steps. Step one, that is how you can create. Step two, to activate Windows. Step two, to activate Mac OS slash Linux. Step three, to install the packages isolated to this project. So that's how you can use it. Jupyter Notebook. If you cannot install software locally, online tools offer a perfect interactive Python computing environment. Jupyter Notebook is a web-based environment that organizes code into executable cells. It is uniquely powerful because it allows you to mix live Python code with formatted text, mathematical equation, and interactive chart in a single document. Because of this, it has become the standard tool for sharing analytical work and research in the data science and machine learning communities. So installing and launching Jupyter. To install Jupyter, you use pip command, that is pip install notebook. To launch it from terminal, then you write Jupyter Notebook, or you can open it at http://localhost 8888. To install Jupyter Lab modern UI, you can type pip install Jupyter Lab. So this is how you can use it. If you cannot install software locally, online tools offer a perfect alternative, like Google Colab provide a free cloud-based Jupyter environment that requires no setup and even give you free access to powerful GPU for machine learning. Alternatively, you can also use Rufflet. It's an excellent collaborative IDE that allows you for multiple layer pair programming directly in your browser, making it a favorite for beginners and students. Complete environment setup step by step. To summarize, a professional setup follows 6 clear steps. Install Python from the official site, set up VS Code with Python extension, create a dedicated project folder, establish an isolated virtual environment, install required libraries using pip, and finally, launch your editor to begin coding. Following this workflow, ensure your development process remain organized from day one. Choosing the right tools for your purpose. Recommended tool combination by use case. Your specific use case will dictate your final tool choice. Serious learners and web developers typically pair VS Code or PyCharm with virtual environment. Data scientists will lean toward Jupyter Notebook and libraries like Pandas or NumPy for those conducting quick environment or needing extra computing power for AI. Google Colab is often the most efficient choice. Do's and don'ts. Environment setup. So when setting up, always prioritize the official Python .org site and use virtual environment for every project. It is also essential to keep your Python version updated. Conversely, you must avoid the absolute Python 2. Never install all your packets globally and don't skip the setup of a proper code editor. This habit will save you significant troubleshooting time in the future. Key tools summary. Essential Python developer tools at a glance. As a final review, remember these core tools: Python 3 as your interpreter, pip as your package manager, and BEM for isolation. For your workspace, utilize VS Code for general coding and Jupyter or Colab or data-centric projects. These 5 components from essential toolkits of a modern Python developer. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have now established a complete foundation for your work. You are equipped to install Python, manage libraries professionally, and choose the best environment for any task. With these tools in place, all barriers to development have been removed. Remember, a well-configured environment is the foundation of productive professional developments. I will see you in the next module. Thank you.